welcome to Rev Sports. I'm at the Jaideep Mukherjee Tennis Academy and at the pickleball court with Sharmin Mukherjee. Sharmin, we all know pickleball is becoming the most loved sport in India. It's an upcoming game, but where did your inspiration start to, inaugurate a court?
Uh, it was so much happening that everyone's talking about pickleball, pickleball. So one day, me and my husband, we went to see the pickleball court, and we both played 15 minutes. It's addictive, very addictive, and we thought that why not, as Jaideep has always wanted to do something new, and it will be a new generation stuff and all. We got a lot of negative feedback. Why legend like him is as if he's dumping the tennis and taking the pickleball, but they don't know that this is a ball game. Every sports we support, as Warrior Majumdar support all the sports and take one level to another level. So we also decided, and I thought that okay, since I have actually this place was blocked by the fans, and nobody knew that we have this space. It's 2,600 square feet this area, and I thought it will be very easy for me. 30 days, I lost 3 kgs because I was working 14 to 15 hours
Wow.
from labor because this area was really badly shaped, It was not even a proper surface. So we have to do from the scratch. So that took 7 days. And then there's the rules, the cooling period and all these things, I had to go through that. And then budget was thought of like we can manage it. It was going up and up and up. And then somehow we managed. Jaideep really helped me to call his friend from Delhi, Suman, and because Suman is a like a sort of like a specialist by laying the
Right.
court and all. So he called and he said, okay, I'm with it. I'm with you. So sort of it became my passion that no, I need to finish. So okay, then I have a question that because pickleball is a night game, it's not a day game. Very few people will come and do it in the morning time, but it's a night game. So what I do with the washroom, because my clubhouse will be locked, and I don't want anybody to enter into clubhouse because everything is his all the trophies and everything there. So I had to make this red uh, a washroom to use for, and it was actually overdue. We were thinking last 10 years that we don't want to get people are going to a clubhouse bathroom, so we did that, and everything took us. I was buying stuff from here and then ordering this beautiful, sexy coat, net, and it came from Delhi 4 days back.
Oh,
Phobia, what I'll do? Then they said, listen, Sports Jam actually. They said, and the owner knows my husband very well, Jaideep. So he said, we have something. I said, no, I want this only. Because those are looking little tacky. I want this one. And this was the most expensive one, I think, in Kolkata that we have. And then the bathroom, simultaneously, I'm just going there, here. And then the guy will say, I need 20, sack of a cement more. Okay, go and get it, and they will not take any credit card or this. You have to go with the cash and give, and they will send it. It's like a new thing, as if I've given childbirth. I really, I thought that, oh my God, so many days, and then finally that day, and then how about floodlight? The guy comes and said, oh, you have to give me a requisition, and it will take 2 months. I said, oh my God, what I do? That is 13th of December. Then my best guy, Shushanto, he is much senior to me, he's 27 years old, he's working here. He's an all-rounder. He said, we have 2 old pole sitting there, so why not take these 2 pole?
right.
He really make it like a new, and then he got those anklets from there. So because it has to be 15 feet high, because the tennis court should be 30
Right.
and this should be 15. So I have
Okay.
to go with the rules,
Yes,
because
of
I don't
course.
want to break. Then I wanted to have this white things. You can show it to them. This little pickleball, so that break the moment, the monotonous thing, that white thing.
Right.
So that's how this pickleball was born from me, my heart.
Oh, that's a lovely story. Thank you so much, Sharmin, for talking us through this entire journey, and we're looking forward to play some more pickleball.
Absolutely. Let's go. Let's start pickleball. Can I have one?
Joydeep, we've just spoken to Sharmin. She's told us the entire story. But from you, I want to know, what is your vision for the future when it comes to pickleball and especially this court?
See, pickleball, as you see, the smaller racket, small like table
Yeah.
tennis, the ball is lighter. This helps youngsters to get contact with the ball. What happens when you play tennis? youngsters of 4 or 5 years old, very tough to control the ball.
Yeah.
But with this racket, you learn to actually swing. And this is, though it is, a lot of people are moving to pickleball and tennis, but this also helps tennis players. Budding tennis players will love it. So they'll be interested.
Yes.
Like playing cricket with the rubber ball or tennis ball.
Surely feels like that.
Yeah, but it's good because it's very addictive. I enjoy it. I played once or twice, enjoy it. And for us, it's very easy to pick it up because we like tennis. Smaller court, you have to play singles here. It's not that easy.
Yeah.
It's tough and it's catching up very fast all over the world. And in US, I hear that 30% of the tennis courts have changed to pickleball courts. But I've got this, I think it's a thing which Charmin's idea of doing it. She finished it in 3 weeks. And hats off to her, and I think we do pretty well. And if it does well, we put up another court.
And it's a lovely recreational sport as well.
Absolutely, absolutely. In the evening, you have lights, you can play
Yes.
after work and all that. So anyone watching, just start playing pickleball and then tennis.
That's the perfect note for us to end the show with. Thank you so much,
Thank
Jaideep.
you so much.